Guys, so we are going to wash our walls in our bedroom, and yes, I know the curtains do not match. I love these blackout curtains, but I didn't have, this window is huge, so I couldn't take one from there, so I had to just put one in the middle and use our old school curtains, which need to be washed there. So yes, I am well aware it looks a mess, but okay. Anyway, we're gonna wash these walls and our borders, so let's get a close-up look at the walls. That's delicious. Get some light in here. Might not even use these clips because it's very dark in here because of the curtains. And then it's like a yellow light. Hi, baby. Yeah. Here I have a wall cleaner we got from... Here I have a wall cleaner. Yeah, baby. Are you being silly? You like the cameras. You want to be in the video. You want to be in the video. Okay, okay. Give me my phone back. No.
The government issues a security for all areas around the coast.
Here we have the Sung 82-inch wall cleaner. I've had it in this box for over a year now, so we're probably going to take it out. It has a 90-degree flip mop panel, 360 rotating head, 80-inch adjustable handle, 6-piece reusable pads. And then you don't get a paper with the instructions, but the instructions come on the back of the box because it's this simple. So you get an upper pull, a middle pull, 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces in the middle pull, mop head. You get 3 of these pads, and then microfiber pads. You get a mop holder you can hook to your wall, and then this is our packing list. And this is the directions on how it should look to build your wall cleaner mop. All right, let's take everything out of the box. This is what it looks like, kind of. It's been a year, so you get the idea. All right, oops. Let's take our pieces out. We have microfibers and then our 2, okay? And then this is bendable to get in those corners. This is your 90-degree. This is your 90-degree flip mop panel. I can open it. It gets down nice and flat, as you can see. I can't even pick it up. So let's pick it up from the handle, and then you can turn it. Get in those corners. So, and then let me show you guys the poles. I'm excited to use these. All right. All right, that's how long our pole is. And I'll take it apart so you guys can see how it looks in each piece. Okay. All right, so these are pieces of the poles that I'm going to use. That's all I need is these 4 pieces. And I'm going to screw them together. This is what it looks like separated. And I'm going to just screw them back together, and then we're going to start washing the walls.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun.
I don't think this is supposed to be in there. Okay, it comes with a bag, so when you're done, you can pack everything in this bag, keep everything organized. Mop holder. Drawstring to tighten it, and then here, it has the sticky for the wall. And then you slide it through this part, connects with this part, and then you can hang it your mop. And all the other pieces can go in this bag and be organized. Look at that. So we have 3 and 3. And there we go. There we have it. There we have it. This, I don't believe belongs in here. I think my children must have put it in there. We'll have to hold this onto this and see. This is where the importance of the packing list comes in. And then the kids were in here already, so we got wires and stuff. Okay, something that I didn't see every day. Hooked up in the walls. That I live in here.
We listen and we don't judge. Please and thank you.
Walls. I already cleaned the ceiling. Let's see. So I washed the ceilings already. You can't really tell because we have bad lighting. So you're probably not even here watching this video right now because the lighting is so bad. And I'm moving around. You're probably getting dizzy. For the people who did not click off yet, I'm going to give some demos on how I use this ceiling mop, wall mop.
We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it.
This is just from one wall. I'm gonna go get some more clean water and clean this, and then we'll start a different wall. Let's go. Okay, now guys, we're gonna do this big wall. And as you've seen in the last clip, I had a lot of dust up there. So we're gonna start at the bottom, actually, and then we'll do the top line.
Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
Alright, just wanted to show you the grooves in this wall mop. Very stable and sturdy. If you were wondering what it looked like in the back, here is the up close look. And here's our wall mop pad. Give you a little up close shot of the material in the back. And now let's stick it together so you can see that it's not coming off when you're working hard, scrubbing your ceilings and your walls. You're not gonna have to worry about the pad slipping and sliding all over the place or just falling off because it's not going to. Now, I'll give you a little demo.
I wanted to give you guys some close-ups of the 90-degree mop panel. So I had a special little helper help me while I filmed.
Wait, do a new one. Do a new one.
There you go.
Oopsie.
All right, bring it over. Bring it back to the other corner.
And here's where I get busted in the head. So I guess you can say I put my blood, sweat, and tears into this video.
Oh my god. And then the mini shield at the end, there's a
We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.